I'll be premiering a video September 16th on how to make a moccasin. This is from Tandy Leathers. They have a pattern pack that's available. I used to teach this class in my shoe store, and it was about 2 weekends. It's a long class, but it's such an awesome moccasin. And so I'll be teaching you this. It's premiering on the Tandy Leather Factory YouTube channel September 16th. And then I will follow up with a live video chat a week later, September 21st, so that those of you who watch the video and have questions, you can actually write into me directly, and I'll be able to touch base with you guys. It'll be my first live video, so I'm really excited. I know that there are a lot of followers. I'm excited about all the subscribers, and I do read all your comments, so thanks so much for participating. I'm gonna get right to it because I have been dying to open up this box. So I love these moccasins. I have them myself, and I'm gonna make a new pair for myself. But here we go. Let's just do it. So first off, let's look at the beautiful leather hides. I always use Tandy leather for my leather supplies because their quality, you know, you can call into their shops and they'll walk you right through what you need and the thickness that you need. So, you know, here's a beautiful deer tan cowhide is what I like to order. So I have a nice big black hide. I'll be doing a black pair. I personally own the beige pair, and I wear them all the time, and I need a black pair because I like to wear black pants, you know, my black leggings in the winter and things. And so the moccasins are really comfortable, especially if you do the advanced version, because I put insoles in them, and I also do a sole, so they're street worthy. This is what I'll be teaching you in the video. This is this beautiful, this color is really gorgeous, and what a beautiful hide. I mean, you know, it just really has no defects in it. This is the kind of quality that you get from Tandy leather. I can always, you know, rely that I'm going to get something really good. All right, and then we also have a wonderful, this really great cutting pad. And I won't open it now, but this is really great for lining up and getting your line spot on. I've been wanting one of these for a very long time, so I'm going to use that in the video. And this is the fantastic moccasin pattern pack. I tell you, I have used these so many times. I actually convert mine into a little thicker material. Like I use I use like file folders, so it makes it nice and firm. But I'm going to show you how to do these. I'll be doing a couple of different pairs because that hide's big enough I can get a couple of pairs out of it. And then of course I have some really great waxed thread, which is super useful, and that's what we'll be using. I'll be using some of these hand needles. We'll be hand stitching the first boot. That's going to be the beginner boot. And then I also have been needing one of these so bad. This is one of these leather marking pens. So I had, you know, I would do pen, then I've done pencil, and this is just, I knew I needed this, so this is going to be great. I'll be demonstrating this leather marking pen. And then I really needed a good grid ruler, so that's great. And so there we go. Well, also, I'm going to show you this wonderful, there we go. This is the Janome sewing machine, and I am going to be demonstrating it on this leather to show you how wonderful that it sews through the leather. So there we go. I am just really excited, and honestly, I couldn't have done this without Tandy leather, without the community support and all of your likes and watching my videos. So thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you guys on September 21st for a live video where we can actually connect. Thanks again, and from Maui, Hawaii, aloha.